Today I have my Echo weed trimmer here, and I need to replace the primer bulb on it so it'll start better. It's used for priming it when you go to start the engine trimmer. And I actually put this on, the bulb actually cracked, I don't know, 5 years ago or so, 4 or 5 years ago. And so I put a end of a finger from a latex glove on there, and it's worked pretty well for about 4 or 5 years, but it's also failing now. So there are 4 screws there to take this off, and I'm going to put on a new one here. So I'm going to take that off. I'll be right back and show you what it looks like. Alright, I took the air cover off first to kind of get out of my way. Then I took the 4 screws out and pulled off the bulb assembly, and this is it. And I kept the old bulb because it kept the form better, even though it's cracked and was leaking. When I put this latex finger glove over it, and I will keep that again because it's still somewhat useful there as far as keeping the shape of the bulb. But I'm going to pull this out here, and it just simply pulls out of this metal frame here, and then I will cut a finger off a glove and put it back over that and put it back in there, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Alright, be right back. I wanted to show you this. This is the bracket with the bulb on it that I pulled off. Here's the old bulb, and you can see it's falling apart, but it's still somewhat pliable. It's just it's more brittle than it used to be. That rubber gets brittle. This is the old one I took off the bulb, and here is the finger that I am going to put on over this and put back in there. So I just want to show you that. Be right back. We'll put that on and show you what it looks like. Alright, here's the new one, the new glove finger on it. Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to make a seal, and this does it. And the old, like I said, the old bulb is underneath that to give it the shape, so it's still somewhat firm. Anyways, I'm going to put that back on and show you how that looks. So alright, there is the new bubble finger on it, and it's tightened down. I got to put the air cover on it, and we'll start it and see if it works. Just wanted to show you this though, show that you can repair that without actually having to get a new, necessarily a new part and stuff. You can get a new part, but I wanted to get the lawn trimmed today, so I wanted to fix this and get it done. So just wanted to show you this, and you can use latex, or I think these are nitrile gloves if I'm saying that correctly, but you can use that. And just be creative when you're repairing things, and you can get things done usually cheaper. Just wanted to show you this to you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks. And there you go, it starts. Anyways, Hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.